I think the first time my wife made me eggs was sort of early days of our relationship. The first time I had her scrambled eggs, they were so thoughtfully made and she was really patient. I thought that was a really good sign. Hi, I'm Julia Turshen. I'm here today with Extra Crispy. I'm gonna do a breakfast recipe for my new book, Now and Again. The super fun thing about Now and Again, after all the menus, you have all these ideas for things to do with the leftovers. I'm gonna make scrambled eggs with a really delicious coconut and cilantro chutney, inspired by this experience I had getting to work on the Hot Bread Kitchen cookbook. Hot Bread Kitchen is an amazing organization, and I got to really know this one woman, Vanessa, who is Bangladeshi. I was so inspired by the way she cooked and baked, and is also a leader. So this is an ode to her. Starts with cilantro, and I'm gonna give it a little rough chop, and I'll let the food processor do the rest. I'm scraping the ginger with a spoon, which is the perfect peeler. You don't lose any ginger, which is great because so much about Now and Again is about using what you have and not wasting things. So I'm just gonna give it a little rough chop. It's like a tablespoon, more or less. So that will go in there. And then a little cumin, and you could use seeds or ground, it does not matter. And I'm gonna use like half the salt. And then this is dried toasted coconut. If you want to use sweet, that's fine. I like it not too sweet. If you don't have a food processor and you have a knife, you can just use that. You could also do it in a mortar and pestle if you have one of those, and just get out your aggression. And coconut milk, it's a 1/4 cup, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. A little bit of lime. I don't have one of these, I like this. Oh, that's great. And then you just make some noise. And now I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. My wife makes the best scrambled eggs in the world. If she were here, I would make her do it, but she's not, so I'll make them with her in mind. So I'm gonna do 8 eggs. This would be nice to make for a crowd, and you can obviously add more eggs if you have more people, a little salt. I think breakfast is such a nice time to get people together because you can have a nice time to be with each other, and then you can still have your whole day in front of you. I'm just gonna quickly go over my mess. The way I serve it is I just spoon this right on. And then in the book, the whole menu, you serve this with these really, really delicious flatbreads, these whole wheat and yogurt flatbreads. This leftover idea is one of my favorites. Sometimes people have leftover scrambled eggs and it seems like something that has no life left in it. You don't have to eat cold scrambled eggs. You can make delicious egg salads. So that's what we're gonna do. So you take your leftovers, whatever's left, and just put them in a bowl. And if they have that chutney, it's great. It's just extra flavor. And then just like any egg salad, you just add mayonnaise. And I'm gonna season it with just a curry powder. And you could use ground turmeric and coriander. You could just use that. If you wanted to use garam masala, that would be great. You went from scrambled eggs to egg salad. Super easy, super fast. This is just toasted pita bread. You can also serve this with cucumber slices if you don't, eat gluten or carbs or something like that. That's it, and you get a whole new meal using what you had left over. Nothing went to waste. It's completely new life. It's transformed. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching scrambled eggs become egg salad. And most of all, I hope it encourages you to get people together, to make something delicious, and just gather people around your table, because that is the best part of cooking.